Welcome to our video on the role of a dietitian. Today, we'll explore the crucial responsibilities and the impact of these health and wellness experts in our lives. Dietitians are highly trained professionals who play a vital role in guiding individuals towards a balanced and nutritious lifestyle. A dietitian's primary role is to provide personalized and evidence based nutrition advice to their patients. They have a deep understanding of the connection between food and health, allowing them to tailor dietary plans to individual needs and goals. One of their essential tasks is to educate and empower their clients to make informed choices about their food intake. They decipher complicated food labels, clarify misconceptions, and help individuals build a positive relationship with food. When working with patients, dietitians take a holistic approach, considering not only their medical history but also their lifestyle, preferences, and cultural background. They set achievable dietary goals with their patients, encouraging small and sustainable changes over time. These goals may focus on weight management, improving heart health, managing chronic conditions, or optimizing sports performance. Dietitians often collaborate with other healthcare professionals, including doctors and nurses, to provide comprehensive patient care. This teamwork ensures that their patients receive well rounded support and guidance. In some cases, dietitians accompany their patients to the grocery store, showing them how to shop for nutritious foods, read labels, and make health conscious choices. In summary, dietitians play an instrumental role in promoting health and wellness through personalized nutrition guidance, education, and support. They empower individuals to make positive changes in their eating habits, leading to improved overall well being.